Hello partner, welcome to RankMF Partner SmartCom Guide. This tool will help you take your business and customer experience to the next level. So let's begin. SmartCom is a client communication tool that is exclusively available to RankMF partners. This tool will help you send various transactional and educational communication to your clients absolutely free. These creatives are made especially for you by our experienced marketing team to keep your clients engaged and build long-term business relationships. So let's see how it works. First, visit partner.rankmf.com and log in with your partner credentials. Then click on SmartCom. Now you will see three target audience, that is, clients, leads, and future prospects. Clients are your existing customers which are transacting with you. Leads are those who have registered with you for opening an account. And future prospects are those who you have met in a meeting or an event and you think that they can become your potential clients. Select your desired target audience and proceed. For this illustration, let's select clients. Now you will see various products and educational creatives which you can promote by using ready-to-use marketing collaterals. RankMF partners also request for a new creative, that too for free. All these creatives are made by a brand name and contact details so that it will help you create your brand identity. Not only that, every communication is made to give a personalized experience to your clients. Select the desired product to get ahead. Now choose from the wide range of ready-to-use marketing collaterals like email, SMS, social media banners, and videos. All these modes of communication are completely free for our RankMF partners. All the email and SMS expenses will be done by RankMF, so you don't need to worry about the cost. Let's take an example of an email. You will see a ready-made email template. All these templates have a transaction button. Through this email, your customers can actually transact and take various actions. All these emails have your brand logo at the top and your contact details. These emails will also have your client name, which will help you connect more efficiently with your client. You can send the email in just 3 easy steps. View and send a test email to check the email sent to you. Click on the send email, select from the list of your clients, and your email is sent successfully. Similarly, let's look how to send SMS. View and send a test SMS to check the links. Click on Send SMS. Select from the list of your clients and your SMS is sent successfully. Now let's look at social media banner. These banners are professionally designed with your brand logo and contact details. You can share these banners on various social media platforms or send to your clients on WhatsApp. All these banners also have standardized descriptions, so you have no need to make a new copy again and again. SmartCom empowers you to communicate with your clients more efficiently and market your brand professionally. Just a small suggestion: avoid sending daily communication to your clients because this may disturb your client, which can lead to unsubscription to all your communications. Make the most of the platform in a controlled manner to maximize the output from your efforts. So what are you waiting for? Log into your partner's dashboard and take a flight to the next level customer experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.